Let me walk you through how I made my buns. 3 cups of flour in a bowl or a pan. 2 cups of milk in a pan. I put my yeast, 2 tablespoons of yeast in the milk. And then I give it a stir. I put 2 tablespoons of butter, that's 100 grams. Then I stir the butter, I give it a stir. And then I put it in the microwave for a bit. Then I open my flour. I put 2 tablespoons of my nutmeg. That's nutmeg to give it a flavor. 2 tablespoons of nutmeg in the flour. Remember, the nutmeg is dry and the flour is dry. That's putting the dry stuff together. We're putting the flour and all the dry ingredients together. Then my milk is warm and my butter is melted. I give it a stir. And then I add 1 cup of sugar in the mixture of milk, butter, and yeast. Then I give it a stir for a few minutes or a few seconds so the sugar can get melted. And then after stirring it and making sure the sugar is melted, I put my baking powder in the flour. So I give it a mix of the dry ingredients into the flour. Then after giving it a mix, you can see, I pour the mixture of milk, butter, and sugar and yeast inside the flour and give it a mix. So I give it a knead. I'm kneading right now, or I'm mixing. Yeah. Do we say mixing or kneading? Mixing, kneading. Okay, let's say mixing the flour. After mixing and kneading, and that is the end result. Then we trust the process. That is what I came out with. And that is the end result. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Do I split the sound now?